Namaskar dosto. Welcome to Reinvent Yourself and Conceal the Leader Within. Let me ask you a simple question. When you wake up in the morning and step out for a walk, or start your workout, or sit down for yoga, what do you feed your mind? Because the truth is simple, जो आप सुनते हैं, वही आप बन जाते हैं. What you hear becomes what you think. And what you think becomes how you live. We live in a time where the world order has shifted. Competition isn't just with the people in your city or your country, it's with the whole world. Technology has erased borders, AI is rewriting industries, and distractions are everywhere. And here's the challenge: in this ocean of noise, how do you protect your mind, focus your attention, and give yourself an advantage? The answer might just be in something as small as a pair of headphones. Yes, headphones. Not just for entertainment, not just for music, but as your private classroom, your meditation hall, your leadership accelerator. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey blending ancient scriptures, modern science, and leadership wisdom to show you why listening through headphones during your morning walk, gym session, or yoga practice can transform not just your mornings but your life.
Think of your brain as the most powerful computer ever built. But unlike a normal computer, your brain doesn't have a mute button. It's always processing every car horn, every chat in the background, every mobile notification. In neuroscience, there's a term called cognitive load, the total amount of mental effort being used in your working memory. Every little sound, every distraction, increases this load, leaving you with less mental energy for deep thinking and creativity. Now imagine this: you walk into the gym, ready to focus, but the TV is playing random news, two people are gossiping nearby, weights are clanking, someone's talking loudly on the phone. Without realizing it, your brain is burning energy just filtering the noise.
When you put on headphones, especially noise-cancelling ones, you create what psychologists call a controlled sensory environment. It's like building a private, focused bubble around your mind. Here's what happens inside: distraction drops, your brain stops processing irrelevant sounds. Attention sharpens, your focus narrows to what you've chosen to hear. Emotions align, the tone, rhythm, and words of what you're hearing can uplift you instantly. And the magic is in combining this with physical movement. Studies show that when you are moving, walking, running, lifting weights, your brain releases neurochemicals like dopamine and BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which make learning faster and memory stronger. So if you are listening to a leadership podcast while jogging, your brain is literally encoding those ideas deeper. This is called state-dependent learning. Your mental state during learning affects how well you remember and apply it. In other words, headphones exercise, and this isn't just theory. World-class source, athletes, and creators use this. They turn commutes, workouts, and walks into their personal leadership universities. Long before neuroscience gave it a name, Indian sages understood the power of selective listening. In the Vedas, the first step of knowledge is called Shravanam, deep, intentional listening. Not casual hearing, but listening with your whole mind.
The Bhagavad Gita is a perfect example. Arjuna didn't read a book, he listened to Krishna in the middle of a battlefield, a place full of noise, tension, and chaos. And yet, that focused listening gave him the clarity to act with purpose. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali talk about pratyahara, the withdrawal of the senses from external distractions so the mind can turn inward. In a modern world, headphones can be a tool for pratyahara. They help you filter out what doesn't serve you and bring your awareness to what matters. Even ancient temple architecture was designed to create an immersive sound experience. Chants and mantras were heard in acoustically tuned halls so the vibrations entered deep into the mind. Today, we can recreate this by choosing what flows into our ears during our most alert hours, the mornings. Imagine walking in the fresh air, sun rising, your body moving, and in your ears, the wisdom of Chanakya, Vivekananda, or modern leadership mentors.
It's a blend of ancient sound discipline and modern delivery technology. Leadership isn't just about what you do at work. It's about how you train your mind and body daily. When you exercise, you're already pushing yourself, lifting heavier, running farther, holding that yoga pose longer. This is the perfect time to also push your mindset. Morning is your prime time, your mind is fresh, your willpower is highest. If at that moment you fill your ears with negativity, random news, gossip, social media chatter, you're wasting your golden hour. But if you use headphones to feed yourself powerful ideas, leadership strategies, success stories, goal-setting techniques, you are programming your mind for the day ahead. A true leader uses every moment as a learning moment. Think of it like this: gym, your muscles grow by resistance. Your mind grows by challenging ideas. Walking. Each step forward can be a step towards a bigger vision. Yoga. As you stretch your body, stretch your perspective. When you combine physical effort with mental growth, you are building resilience, the most important leadership quality in a competitive world.
We live in the golden age of audio. There's no excuse to not learn daily. But here's the leadership key filter: what you listen to. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant weeds, you'll get weeds. Build your morning audio diet, motivational speeches to energize you, leadership talks to sharpen your strategy, spiritual wisdom to ground your values, learning in your industry to keep you competitive. Remember, in a noisy world, the leader is the one who curates their inputs.
The Reinvent Yourself method. Here's how to turn your headphones into a leadership accelerator. Choose your time: morning walk, gym, yoga. Choose your content: positive, educational, leadership focused. Choose your energy: start with something uplifting, then move to deep learning. Reflect afterwards: 5 minutes of silence to let ideas sink in. Apply one insight each day, pick one thing you heard and use it. This is the Reinvent Yourself morning protocol, a blend of ancient Shravanam and modern neuroscience.
So here's my challenge to you tomorrow morning: put on your headphones before you step out. Choose one powerful audio, maybe a leadership lesson, maybe a spiritual talk, and carry it with you as you move. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your focus, and your day. Because leaders are not just made in boardrooms. They are made in small, daily moments of discipline. If you found value in today's session, be ahead, subscribe, follow, and share with your friends and colleagues. Let's create a community of leaders who train their bodies, minds, and souls together.